I was looking for something that wouldn't let my hair fall flat by noon, and this has really helped my hair out. This is SexyHair Big Root Pump Plus Volumizing Spray Mousse. So it gives volume to your roots, and it's supposed to hold for 72 hours, humidity resistant, and I don't live in a humid climate, so I'm not really sure. I live in the desert. But there's one thing I didn't love about this, but let me talk about what I did love. So it targets the root. So I have my hair pulled back today. It's wash day, but you just get it really in at the root. And I was going to show you what it actually looks like. I can. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's a mousse that comes out from the pump, and it gets really in there, helps, keep the volume up in your hair, and it really does a great job. And it comes in this huge, how many ounces? I think it's 10 ounces, which is great. It lasts forever. I feel like I've had this quite a while, and it's not even halfway gone. So, great value. But the one thing I didn't like about it, it is a spray. So it is not until you get used to doing it, to getting it right in where you want it and how far away you should put it. It's a learning curve a little bit, but I've really liked it. I've really enjoyed it, and I think you'll like it too.